Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be talking about why Kidde 10-year smoke alarm keeps going off randomly and what could actually be causing it. So one of the major reasons why a Kidde 10-year smoke alarm goes off unexpectedly is the environmental interference. So if this particular detector is installed near the kitchen or the bathroom or the laundry rooms or the air vents, the steam, humidity or the cooking particles can trigger the false alarms very easily. So the second reason is dust inside the sensor. So dust buildup is another very common issue. Over time, the dust, insects or even tiny debris can enter the sensor chamber and confuse the smoke detector. So this often causes random alarms even when there is no smoke present. So in order to fix it, you can use compressed air or a soft vacuum attachment in order to clean the alarm carefully. Now, even though it is called 10-year smoke alarm, the sensor can still develop problems before the full lifespan ends. So if the alarm is older or repeatedly false alarms despite cleaning, the internal sensor may be failing. So some of the Kidde models will chirp or trigger alarms when they detect sensor instably or end of life conditions. Now you can also try pressing the test button or the power button for at least 15 to 20 seconds until the unit resets. On the sealed 10-year battery models, this can clear the temporary software or the sensor glitches. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.